Shabri Narayanan has asked a very interesting question. Why don't we answer this question? I want to start a business. What are the types of loans available in bank? I think Shabri and others who want to start your own business, when it comes to raising money, especially the business loan, there are multiple ways to raise money. I'm going to give you all those options available to raise money for businesses. Depends on which business it is. Again, there are various schemes available from the government as well as in different banks. However, the most common options are you can directly reach out to PSU banks, public sector banks. When you reach out to PSU banks, they normally give you three kinds of loans, both PSU banks and even private banks. Number one, they call it as secured loan, wherein you'll have to mortgage some kind of property and you get loan on that. The second option is you can take unsecured loan, which is purely based on your business purpose performance. They lend you, and this is completely unsecured, no collateral required. And the third option is there's something called credit guarantee scheme, which means under this scheme, government of India or state governments under various schemes, they give guarantee to the bank on your behalf, saying, in case if this person doesn't pay back the loan, I will pay you back. So these are the three options which are available in private banks and public sector banks. Now these loans are called as Mudra loan, credit guarantee. Recently we had this emergency credit line, so many other things. Apart from that, you have many other options. Like you can go to all these fintech companies who currently lend money to businesses, SME lending they call it as. They do give a lot of money, and it's easy, they're very quick, but they're very costly. Then there are large NBFCs like India Infoline, kind of NBFCs are there. They do fund businesses, and those funding options are also comparatively costly compared to banks. They're costly. And the fifth option is there's something called venture debt. What is venture debt? Venture debt is in case if you're running a business, some venture debt companies lend even if you're not making profits, they lend you. So the point here is if you are looking for venture debt, then remember most of these venture debt companies they lend money only to those companies, those businesses who have got VC investment, venture capital investment. If you have already raised money from venture capitalists, from VCs and angel investors, mostly VCs, then they will actually give you venture debt. And in fact, I had raised venture debt long back. I think in 2014 sometime from a very well reputed venture debt company. That helped me because when you raise venture debt, actually they fund you a large amount of money. And the best part is you don't have any equity dilution. If you are a startup and you are raising capital through equity, then what happens? You have to dilute your equity stake in the company, which means your ownership in the company will go down. But when you raise money through venture debt companies, there is no such liquidity dilution. Hence, you remain the large owner of the company. That's important. But then remember, there's a difference between equity and debt. In case of equity, you don't have to really pay back. But of course, those who invest money through equity, they also become owners of the company like you, and they will get dividend if you announce. If not, they have to sell their equity to someone else in the future and make money out of it. But then in case of debt, you are liable to pay it back along with interest. And those are all very well stipulated timelines, right? Every month EMI and things like that. So remember that. Based on that, you can start. So there are many options. You please watch how to start a business course, and there are so many business courses available. In every business course in Financial Freedom App, we have defined how it works, which are the loan options available, what support can be expected from the government. All that is very in detail covered. Please look into that, then things will be fine.